guys, I'm Nikita from the future. I just wanted to come here and say that the beginning part of the vlog is quite boring because I was sad, so you can just skip that and watch the fun part. So I would like you guys to, for a second, turn off your light because you're watching Nikita's Decline. Hi guys, so it's 5th of October and yes, it's my birthday. So this year I intentionally decided that I am not going to celebrate, and look at my kismet, I'd say. Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, everything's down today. So only if someone wants to wish me has to call me. Adulting. By the way, finally I'm 18. I'm an adult now. So yeah, it's 12:45 right now, and I'm gonna sleep maybe, or maybe I'll watch YouTube because nothing else is working. Bye bye. See you in the morning. Hello guys, it's 9 a.m. in the morning and I was definitely going to vlog my day, but yes, I had no plans because I thought of not celebrating this year. But then we have my friend from Pune in the city, so she invited me at her place. So today I am going to meet her. She is my clubhouse friend. So yeah, we're gonna get ready for that. And here we are, ready to leave. This is the OOTD. So now I'll see you at her place. Hi guys, so I reached here like half an hour ago, but we were so engrossed in talking, हम completely भूल गए कि vlog भी करना था. And now suddenly it struck my mind that yes, we were vlogging. So today I'm going to help her set her house up.
She's gonna help me in setting my house.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And yeah guys, it's good to see that ki finally I have a blogger friend for real.
Jaipur.
Not just Instagram wale bloggers. I have friends for real, and if you guys want us to continue, then you have to subscribe our channel. ये मैंने अभी से tagline दे दिया है.
Hers too. You can go and check the link in description. I'm mentioning everything.
Exactly, and we'll continue this later. Now we want space, lot of space. But she is my helping hand for today. I hired her for free.
Yes.
For free.
That's how we celebrate
Exactly.
birthday. So here's a spontaneous plan. We are going out to eat lunch, and
we have one more special guest. Come. Here's
Hey, how are you? Meet Jasmine, the beauty
of mine.
Yeah, hers. Here's Annie struggling with the bhaiya to get her household stuff managed. Guess what? We were sitting at this restaurant and the staff was so shitty. They didn't came to take our order, and then we just went away from there. Now we are heading to a different restaurant, and there we are going to have food and cut my cake as well. Okay, we are at this place called Dhaba by White Kitchen.
White kitchens.
Let's see.
Dhaba by White.
It looks like they're doing some serious research with the menu. What, we are out of the second place as well. They don't have like main course now. They only have momos.
Momos. My cake is tired, guys.
नहीं पापा जादू तो अभी हम देख के आएंगे. Now we are on a legit restaurant hunt. Now we are going to this place. It's called La Multigrain. So let's see. Let's try our luck. Okay, look at her doing some serious research again. Let's see this will be successful or not. Okay.
This can't wait, I'm so fucking hungry.
Have it if you're hungry. I'm shooting.
making you realize. Congratulations on your 18th birthday. You are legally allowed to have sex.
We are confused. Yeah. Finally, we are done with the lunch thingy, and you know what? I didn't expected any of this. I was so kind of sad on my birthday for some reason, but now I'm feeling great. At home like half an hour ago, around 7 p.m. and now I got pastries for everyone, and look at this.
Hello.
So yeah, and I think something more unexpected is going to happen. The surprise was hashtag unexpected number. पता नहीं what.
ठीक नहीं है मैंने यार बता तो देती.
I told you.
ये लाइन इंक्लूड करना जोक था. मेरे बाल हमेशा अच्छे लगते हैं.
Oh my god.
मेरे बाल हमेशा अच्छे लगते हैं. स्पेस में उल्टा लगता है.
Okay, well, thank you so much.
जैसे कुछ ऑल ब्लैक
Oh,
चाहिए. साइकिल भी.
twinning.
स्किनी ब्लैक.
Hi.
देख मैं इसका देख रहा था ब्लैक कहाँ पे है. ये आया.
रिद्धि डाइट पता है तुम्हें? लेकिन आज मैंने भी बहुत इधर बाहर खाया. Guys, going to tell you what is his channel's name. I'm the host, man. Obviously, I'll do it.
बनाया ये पूछने का.
Yeah, continue.
हुआ नहीं हुआ.
हो गया.
तो अभी तुम लोगों ने सुन लिया होगा मैंने कितने जल्दी जोक मारे. तो बैड जोक्स विद नहीं, बीजेस विद हार्दिक. हाँ या ना?
Oh my god. We want to know in the
जिसको समझ
comments.
आया वो कुछ भी डाल दो फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
So let us know in the comments if you want to see BJ's with Hardik. Wish me happy birthday now. इतना मरा हुआ. ठीक है रहने दो तुम. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. I know it was such a chaotic vlog. I didn't shot everything in a systematic manner, but of course I had to enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, and if you liked it then definitely hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel and make sure you share it with your friends.